Barri are a good team. You know, Jenks is a good manager. He's got good staff, and they've got some very, very good players. And they proved it this year. I think for me, they'll definitely finish in the top 6. Give her a tough game at their place. It was 0-0. You know, and we knew it was going to be a tough game, and you know, a little bit disappointed that we weren't a little bit more clinical. And we'll probably first 20 minutes, first 30 minutes, give away 1 or 2 half chances too much. You know, they had a couple of unnecessary chances where we made mistakes, or a couple of corners where we put ourselves under pressure. But you know, we knew it was going to be a tough game against Barri.
Successful afternoon on the whole. I think the first probably 20-25 minutes they did cause us a few problems, and they'd probably say that they could have maybe took the lead with 1 or 2 of the chances they had. But yeah, once we got a foothold in the game, just got the first goal, kicked on from there then second half, and pretty comfortable in the end.
If you want to come into TNS and get something, you've got to be ruthless and take your chances, and we didn't. But going in at 1 down at half time, we were well in the game, and I felt we started the second half well. I just thought we started on the front foot, and then obviously the second goal after whatever it was, 55-60 minutes. Yeah, difficult one to take, and then it kills our momentum a bit, and then it's a difficult place then, isn't it?
People want to be competitive. It's a competitive game. You know, we've got to expect that. We've got to understand that people want to, you know, want us to lose. And I've been here for a long time. November, I think it was 2011, and the expectation, playing here, managing here, coaching here, is part and parcel of it. So you've got to get used to it, and you've got to accept it and understand it, and try our best to do better. Us to do better. Don't worry about anything else. Don't worry about all the external things going on. We've got to be better every game, every day in training session, and that's the demands that I and the training and the coaching staff put on the players. No excuses.
Obviously had a sticky start of the season, as we've said plenty of times, but seems to be picking up a bit of momentum now, and hopefully we can carry that on.
It's not going to define our season, is it? You know, we've played them twice now, so we've got TNS out of the way. The important thing is, look, I'm pleased with the performance. I'm pleased with the effort of the players, and I'll never, you know, they're a real honest bunch, and they're fantastic to work with, and they give everything. All right, they were better than us today, but for 60 minutes we matched them. But it's not going to define our season, is it? You know, it's important how we bounce back, and it's really important now. Obviously, we've got 2 games in the next 4 or 5 days, so it's important now we try and get as many points as we can out of those 2 home games.